Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am preparing chicken karahi. Firstly, wash the chicken, fill a bowl slightly more than halfway with water. Add the chicken to a pot of water and wash it thoroughly. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Then add white vinegar. I use cider vinegar, so I added 2 large tablespoons of cider vinegar. Mix well and set aside. Take 9 to 10 cloves of garlic and grind them in a food processor, adding halfway a cup of water. Cut 3 tomatoes in half. Julienne the ginger. Use green chilies according to your taste preferences. 3/4 cup of cooking oil. Lemon juice. All impurities have been removed from chicken pieces. Wash them once with water and rinse thoroughly. Pat dry with a kitchen towel. Heat the oil in a large pan, add the chicken pieces and begin fry them. Add garlic and continue frying. Then add garam masala and stir fry further. After some time, add salt and paprika to taste. You can substitute red chili powder for paprika if you prefer. Add green chilies according to your taste. Stir fry, adding a little water to prevent the spices from burning. Arrange the tomatoes over the chicken, placing the skin side up and the flesh side down. Add lemon juice, cover with the lid and cook over low to medium heat. Take coffee grinder and add some coriander and cumin seed to it. Grind coarsely, then set it aside. Uncover the chicken pan and use tongs to remove the skin from all the tomato halves. The chicken and tomatoes will release their juices. Begin stir fry. Smash the tomatoes with wooden spoon in the pan while stir frying. Eventually the tomato will break down into a sauce. Stir fry gently. Now add 2 heaping tablespoons of tomato puree along with coarsely ground coriander and cumin seeds. Stir fry the mixture. Cover the pan and cook until the water evaporates. Stir fry the chicken until it is well cooked, the spices are fragrant and the oil is released. This step is optional. I like cashew nuts with chicken, but if you don't, you can skip it. I add cashew nuts to a frying pan with a little oil and a pinch of salt. Fry them for 2 minutes, then transfer them onto kitchen paper and gently rub to remove excess oil and salt. Meanwhile, the chicken is still cooking. Karahee chicken needs to be cooked on high heat, stirring often and gently. At this stage, I have added Greek yogurt and mixed it gently. Continue cooking. While stir frying, handle the chicken gently to prevent it from breaking. Watch my video closely to see how I stir the chicken. Finally, add the cashew nuts and garnish with julienned, ginger and green chilies. Add coriander leaves. The delicious Karahee chicken is ready to be served. Serve with naan, chapati or French bread. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.